Have you ever come across a supplement that promises to completely eliminate body odor and even bad breath from the inside out just by taking a pill? That's exactly what GOdor Deodorant supplement claims to do, and at first glance, it sounds almost too good to be true. The company advertises it as a natural solution for anyone who struggles with odor. But when you actually start looking closer, things get a little suspicious. The website is filled with bold claims, flashy promises, and urgent buy-now tactics that seem more focused on making sales than providing solid proof. The domain itself is quite new, which is always something to be cautious about when it comes to health products. And when you check the reviews online, you quickly notice a mix of red flags. Some of the positive reviews look like they could be fake or scripted, while on Trustpilot the rating isn't impressive at all, with one one-star review calling out major issues that shouldn't be ignored. On top of that, GOdor doesn't provide much transparency about what's actually inside the capsules. The ingredient list isn't very detailed, and there's no mention of independent safety reports or clinical studies to back up their claims. For a supplement that's supposed to impact your body's natural functions, that lack of information is a serious concern. Another thing that stands out is their marketing approach: countdown timers, limited stock alerts, and pushy messaging. That creates pressure to buy quickly. Yet if you try to find reliable customer support or a clear refund policy, it feels almost impossible. Taken together, it's not the most reassuring picture. Now, does that mean GOdor is a total scam? Not necessarily, but it also doesn't look like the safe, proven solution they make it out to be. At best, it's a gamble, and at worst, it's a product that could leave you disappointed and out of pocket. So before spending your hard-earned money, weigh the risks carefully and think about whether the promises actually match the reality.